Hello there, this is Sencha with Vumber.com. Today I'm going to walk you through how you can enable call recording through your Vumber app. Start off by logging into your Vumber app. Next we are going to hit the hamburger menu on the top left hand side of the screen. Now select the My Numbers option from the left column. You are then going to want to hit Configure beside the number you wish to turn on call recording for. Once in the number settings, tap on the call recording option. From here, we can simply tap this box to enable call recording for this number. If it is your first time enabling call recording on your account, you may be asked to accept some terms and conditions. You will also notice after call recording is enabled that you have two follow-up options regarding your call recordings. Firstly, you have the option to play a short message notifying your recipient that calls will be recorded. Please be aware by turning this message off, there could be some legal implications depending on your jurisdiction. You then also have the option to have all of your call recordings sent directly to your email. If you are experiencing any issues, please let us know by contacting support@vumber.com. Bye for now.